We are ready to add our home controller. So to add that, we're going to right click on the controller directory. Going to go to add, and we are adding a controller. And at this point, we are adding an empty controller. So we're going to choose that very first option and click on add. And it kind of guesses about the name that we want to use. And if yours doesn't guess, you do want to call it home controller with a capital H and a capital C. And you'll notice that it ends in CS, which is correct because this is a C# file. So we're going to go ahead and click on add. And then you can see by default what it has set up for our home controller. It did include several using statements that we actually don't need. So we can go ahead and remove those. We can always add them back later if we decide that we're going to use them. And in order to share information with our view, we're going to add a couple of ViewBig properties. And we're going to do that right above the return view statement. We're going to add a name property. And you guys can put in your own name. And then we're going to do a future value property. So we've got 5 nines, .99. And we're going to go ahead and save all of our changes. So at this point, our controller is done. What we're missing is a view. And that is what we are going to be creating next.